Hello friends, today is the day 12 of our 21 days challenge of spoken English. We have completed 11 days. It's been 11 days when we decided to take this challenge and we started. We step forward to our learnings to upgrade ourselves, right? Today I want to talk about the resources and methods we are trying to learn. We can do practice without too much resources. Yeah, definitely, if a person have spirits to learn anything, to learn any skill and to upgrade himself, that person can become. He doesn't need resources any anymore, but he can just start practice with the resources that already have. You know, that is a maxim also, that the nature will give you shoes only when you show him you're running. You show it you're running. मतलब कुदरत भी तुम्हें जूते तब देगी जब तुम उसे दौड़ अपनी दिखाओगे. जब तुम दौड़ कर दिखाओगे ना, तब तुम्हें तुम्हारी काबिलियत के हिसाब से जूते मिलेंगे. सो फर्स्ट यू शो योर स्पिरिट, देन the resources will eventually come to you automatically. They will come to you. Don't think about the resources you don't have, but focus on the resources you already have. So let's start for the today practice. And first I want to move on to the practice of listening. There are many things we can do practice of listening, and how it helps, and how listening helps to learn spoken English. Before starting, I want just clear that I understand that you already know that there are four pillars of spoken English: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Listening, many people underestimate listening because you think that I'm just listening, but I'm not understanding anything, what the words, what the sentences they are using. But you also have heard these type of things, that you need environment to become what you want to be, right? If you want to be rich, surround yourself with the rich people. If you want to be healthy, surround yourself with the healthy people, or the people who are aware for health. So surroundings and environment plays a very crucial role. Don't never underestimate it. And reading and writing, we will definitely, after listening practice, after the resources of listening, we will be jumping to the practice of speaking, writing and reading. And speaking, speaking is the most important part in all four pillars. Without speaking, if we put put our all the efforts on the three pillars, we will never can speak. We will never going to speak English fluent, because if we don't practice for speaking, so how we can speak well the thing we want to do? If we are not doing practice of that, how we can do that, right? So let's move on to our first pillar, that is listening. How you can practice of listening? You can listen podcast, right? You can listen songs. By listening podcast, by listening songs, what you are doing is, you are creating your environment. You are increasing your understanding power. Means when you have started listening podcast, there is a simple sentences they are using in their English. The sentences they are using, like they are talking with you. Feel that they are talking with you. Feel that you are feel that someone is giving speech to you, right? So environment is very necessary. It is a like fundamental. When you surround yourself, when you start thinking, when you start listening, you push yourself to create, you push yourself to speak, you push yourself to listen English, right? And by listening songs, You know that a person want enjoyment in everything, like infotainment. If you have heard this term, that is infotainment, means information with entertainment, the mixture of two always create magic. When you enjoy the practice, when you enjoy your English, you will understand, you will learn spoken English very easily, and you don't need to put so much efforts. When you start enjoying, when you start enjoying anything, you don't even know when you have reached your goals. But when you don't enjoy anything, you have to put a lot of efforts, and it may be possible that you are not reaching your goals. So the enjoyment is very necessary in anything. So make sure that you start enjoying English if you want really to learn spoken English, right? So the listening podcast, listening audiobooks, listening songs definitely will definitely create environment and surroundings to yourself for you. And let's come to the second pillar, that is reading book. By reading book, what you are doing is you are pushing yourself daily. It means, pushing means, uh, I know that you don't want reading because you don't understand reading. They are very hard words, high vocabulary they use, whether in books, whether in newspapers. Just start simple reading. Just you can start with the play school English books. You can start with your childhood English books, but start reading. Reading also creates an environment, and you push yourself to understand hard vocabulary. You are pushing yourself to understand the formation of sentences, the structure of sentences, how they are using the main verbs, helping verbs, how they start making sentences, how they end it, right? What they want to say, how they put your how they put their feelings in a sentence by structuring in a good way. You learn this thing by reading, right? So reading is also necessary. And the third pillar is writing. Writing increase your vocabulary. You need vocabulary also, guys. We have completed 11 days and this is the day 12. I know that I have not improved my vocabulary so much. I know that my formation of structure is not so good. I stammer even today, and I was also stammering on the day one. But I know I have improved one thing, and that is my confidence. Today I know, today I have a confidence to speak with anyone, in front of anyone, whether that person is on advanced level or inter level. But I know I can speak. I also know very well that I will stammer in front of him to speak English. But I have a confidence that I can even start to talk with him. But before starting this challenge, I didn't have confidence. I always got too nervous that can I speak with him or not? Should I ask? Should I ask first that are you comfortable in Hindi? So I used to do these type of things, that are you comfortable in Hindi? Only then I start talking with that people. But now I don't ask people, are you comfortable in Hindi? But I myself ask them, are you comfortable in English, right? And when people ask themselves to me that are you comfortable in Hindi, then I say no, I am only comfortable in English. So these type of things began to happen with me after day 11 only. And yes, making practice makes a man perfect, yeah. This is not the right maxim that correct practice makes a man perfect. But when you start doing practice, even you are doing wrong, but you will get vibes that you are doing wrong, you are doing practice in wrong way, I need to correct that practice. So you will get this vibe only after when you start doing, right? Okay, so now we come on to the last and the very crucial part, that is speaking. how you can do the practice of speaking. There are many resources. Yeah, there are a lot of resources in the today time, in the present time, because this is a technology period, right? So you can do practice of speaking by AI, the latest technology of learning spoken English, latest method. You can talk with ChatGPT, you can talk with AI tools. They can talk with you, and simultaneously they will correct you by vocabulary and formation of sentences. This is a very game changing method. Yeah, you must try this. I have tried this, and yes, this is a outstanding way. And another is very are enjoying and matlab good way to learn spoken English is to do practice of speaking is you can call to customer care number, whether it is insurance. Many times it happens to us that if we just try once to search about insurance, loans, customer care, helplines, stock market, mutual funds, so they try to reach us in very short time, and they try to reach us frequently. So this is a good way when we start talking with people, because many times they they are the bilingual people. They can talk with you in Hindi, English, and even with your native language. So in any language you want to speak with them, you just start calling them and start speaking with them. They will ask you that are you comfortable in this language. They will is- ask it to you by understanding your speaking skills, but you stick on your practice, that you are just doing practice. You are asking questions and queries for a practice only, and draft your questions pre-calling, before calling, that if I will ask this question be go long, this question, the answer of this question can go long, and I can learn a lot. I can ask many questions by only this question. Make questions by their answers. उनके आंसर्स में से क्वेश्चन ढूंढो यार, फाइंड क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ देयर आंसर्स, एंड try to ask long answers by explaining the answers, by giving the examples, because the more you will speak, the more you are doing practice. If you give chance to speak only to the customer care people, that is not the right way, because you are here to do speaking practice, so you have to speak more than them, right? This is a good way. I have tried also. With the AI you will talk, but you will feel boring, right? You will not feel like I am talking with someone and I am improving, but you will feel boring. But with the talking with the real people, you will enjoy that thing, right? And you can make videos on daily basis, as we are doing also. We have taken challenge of 21 days of spoken English, so you can also do this. Even if you don't like to post them on YouTube, doesn't matter. Speak, just make your video, just make in front of a mirror, just speak in front of mirror. Analyze yourself, analyze your mistakes, where you are lacking, and improve immediately that. Write that mistakes and try how I can correct this, why I did this mistake. Okay. And another tips are like speak on random topics on daily basis. Speak out your whole days, that how I spent my whole day from waking up to going bed to sleep, right? And speaking with practice partner, if you have any practice partner to speak who is also on the beginner level, or who is ready to teach you spoken English, who is ready to practice with you in English. So it's very well, yaar. Make sure that you have 2 or 3 practice partners, not only one. If you have only one practice partner, there are high chances that you are doing same talk daily. Okay, so try to make 2 or 3 practice partners. You can start with only one, but go for 2 or 3. And yeah, these type of things, these type of resources and methods you can use to improve your English and to improve your vocabulary. I suppose that I have covered all the resources and methods to become fluent in spoken English. At last, I just can say one thing, that consistency is the key. You have to practice consistently. Even if you are doing practice of 2 hours per day, and one day like you don't have sufficient time of doing practice for 2 hours, you can just practice for 1 hour. And even if you don't have 1 hour, so make sure that you are doing practice for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This will condition your mind to do practice, to put efforts on learning. You are committing yourself that I am learning, I have to learn this thing. So that's how the consistency works. You will automatically, this thing of doing practice will become your lifestyle, right? So yeah, that's it for today. Keep on doing practice and best of luck, guys. Let's complete this 21 days challenge and we are going to make it. Best of luck. Goodbye.